in an Arabic word and in Arabic letters, there is a letter Fa. You know what that we in our previous lectures we learned the throat letters, we learned the letters which are pronounced from the lips. But this letter will pronounce with the combination of two things. The first one is your teeth and the second one is your lips. So how can we pronounce this letter Fa? When the edge of your upper teeth make a connection with your lower lips, then the letter Fa will pronounce. Okay, what is the makhraj of this word and what is the articulation point of this word and this letter Fa? When the edge of your upper teeth touches the soft part of your lower lips, then the letter Fa will pronounce correctly. How can we pronounce? Fa. Here you can see the edge of your teeth are making the connection with the soft part of your lips. How? Fa, fa. But sometimes we pronounce it like fa, fa. This is the wrong pronunciation and wrong articulation point. Okay? So if we applied that previous rule that if we make a connection of Hamza Fatha with the letter Fa, then we will know the perfect and accurate point of articulation. So Hamza Fatha Fa Af. The ending of this word and this pronunciation is showing the correct articulation point.